Ethereum value equivalent to 7,801 rands a coin. The present cost range, 69 in 680 70 in 1946. The earlier day close, 70,181. The change was plus 620, plus 28%. Reverse rate, ZAR to ETH. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2024. Initially cost at 90,656 rands. Excessive cost 116,754, while low cost 90,786. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 90,242. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 99,770. Change for September 6.5%. Ethereum figure for October 2024. Initially cost at 99,770 rands. Excessive cost 123,834, while low cost 99,770. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 119,777. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 115,733. Change for October 16%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2024. Before all else cost at 115,733 rands. Excessive cost 119,444, while low cost 103,816. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 112,656. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 111,630. Change for November 3.5%. Ethereum figure for December 2024. Before all else cost at 111,630 rands. Excessive cost 135 of 1U85, while low cost 111,630. They found the middle value of cost 121,097. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 126,341. Change for December 13.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2025. In the first place cost at 126,341 rands. Exorbitant cost 150,437, while low cost 126,341. They found the middle value of cost 135,929. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 140,595. Change for January 11.3%. Ethereum gauge for February 2025. In the first place cost at 140,595 rands. Exorbitant cost 163,766, while low cost 140,595. They found the middle value of cost 149,502. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 153,052. Change for February 8.9%. Ethereum cost expectation for WARC 2025. At the outset cost at 153,052 rands. Excessive cost 176,180, while low cost 153,052. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 161,735. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 164,654. Change for spring 7.6%. Ethereum conjecture for April 2025. At the outset cost at 164,654 rands. Excessive cost 178,959, while low cost 155,543. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 166,602. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 167,251. Change for April 1.6%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2025. In the first place cost at 167,251 rands. Exorbitant cost 167,251, while low cost 140,297. They found the middle value of cost 150,748. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 150,2793. Change for May 8.6%. Ethereum gauge for June 2025. In the first place cost at 150,2793 rands. Excessive cost 181,898, while low cost 150,2793. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 164,371. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 169,998. Change for June 11.3%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2025. At the outset cost at 169,998 rands. Excessive cost 180,408, while low cost 160,288. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 170,361. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 175,148. Change for July 3%. Ethereum conjecture for August 2025. At the outset costed 175 of 148 rands. Exorbitant cost 180.6502, while low cost 160.2100. The found the middle value of cost 170.45 and 13. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 107.4301. Change for August to 5%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2025. First and foremost cost at 174.301 rands. Exorbitant cost 216.342, while low cost 170.4301. The found the middle value of cost 191.783. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 221.89. Change for September 16%. Ethereum estimate for October 2025. First and foremost cost at 221.89 rands. Exorbitant cost 223.881, while low cost 190.4589. The found the middle value of cost 274.74. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 219.235. Change for October 5%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2025. Before all else cost at 219.235 rands. Excessive cost 259.703, while low cost 209.235. We arrived at the midpoint of cost 230.222. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 240.713. Change for November 16%. Ethereum estimate for December 2025. First and foremost cost at 240.713 rands. Exorbitant cost 240.713, while low cost 196.159. The found the middle value of cost 223.27. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 210.924. Change for December 1%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2026. First and foremost cost at 210.24 rands. Exorbitant cost 229.300, while low cost 199.298. The found the middle value of cost 213.455. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 214.299. Change for January 6%. Ethereum estimate for February 2026. To start with cost at 214.299 rands. Excessive cost 265.988, while low cost 214.299. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 235.793. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 248.587. Change for February 16%. Ethereum cost expectation for Walk 2026.